bottle until it get hollow.
What is up, everybody? Rez back here again, and today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna be installing a few little things that I got here on the Evo, and I'm actually gonna be going around to a few of my friends, and we're gonna be giving him some Gapplebees gift cards. All right, so you already know V, he's got the AMG, and if you saw one of my videos, you can you know that I took him to Gapplebees before when I had the M3. So we're gonna give him that, and then whenever I give it to one of my friends, if I have the clip of when I beat them, I'm actually gonna put the clip in there, and this kind of gonna be like a Christmas, holiday, New Year special thing. So I hope you guys enjoy that. So let's get right to it. Let's go walk over there and give it to them. V, Batia, come here. You guys are gonna be, I'm gonna give you guys some gifts right quick.
Can't you just give it to me tomorrow?
No, I'm gonna give you this gift right now. This is for you.
What's this?
This is a Gapplebees gift card from when I took you to Gapplebees.
Oh shit, this is a real gift card?
Yep. And then this one's for you, Batia, when I also took you to Gapplebees. This is the M3.
I don't think it's... Look at this!
And,
value.
And yep, we still need to have our rematch when you win the Evo.
Dude, this is fucking cool.
And yep, and that was, I put the clip from when I beat up V in the M3, and then I didn't get a clip with Batia, but when he gets his car fixed, so we're gonna run him in the Evo. But I still took him to Gapplebees that one time, so they get their Gapplebees gift card.
I missed third, so
that's like people at the gym who said they have a shoulder injury whenever it comes to benching. But that's the first two. We're gonna keep walking around giving them to other friends that we've taken to Gapplebees before too. He is gonna go ahead and read the back of the gift card after using his excuse.
This card has zero cash value, but is redeemable anywhere at any time. This card is fully transferable to someone with a slower car or who notoriously miss shifts. Please store this card where your man card used to be. This is not a get out of jail free card and cannot be used to pay your bail. All right.
So he just said he missed third. That's exactly what the card says. 40-row AMG C63.
And we say bye-bye. Woo!
All right, so we just gave the gift cards, the Gapplebees gift cards to Bathia and to V. And this video might be kind of all over the place, but like I said, I just want to install a few things and then show you guys kind of like what it is. I'm not sponsored or anything, but I do like this, and I'm gonna link it down below, and I also put it on the screen here. But this is from Diamonds on a Budget. You can see right here. And I really saw this in one of like Eliminate's videos or Thomas's video, and I really dig this like infinity style mirror. But check it out. Bam! You can't really see it that well because it's kind of daylight, but look how cool that looks. And it says there, take care, which I thought was pretty awesome too. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in. It runs on AAA batteries, so you could just turn it off and then leave it in here so you don't have to charge it or anything. Pretty dope. But thank you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and show like the little letter that they wrote me, probably like at after this clip, or just add it in there in a little bit, because it's pretty cool how they personalize that. When I'm just like, it feels really good to know when you buy something from a company that they actually take that extra time to like make it a little special. But let's go ahead and put that in. And then we also got this carbon fiber shift knob from 5.3 Supply, which is how I'm gonna win my GTR. You know, you gotta manifest these things. So I'm gonna install that, install this, and then I'll just show you guys once it's done. All right, let's get to it. So we actually ended up not installing the shift knob in the Evo. We're gonna put it in our daily, which if you didn't know, my daily is a WRX, which is crazy. So I'm gonna show that now. But we did go ahead and put the mirror, which you guys already saw it, but here it is installed. It's just a clip over, like it just clips over your normal one. And then if you go to a show or anything at night, obviously don't use this while driving. But bam, right there we go. And the reason why I actually staying with the Mishimoto shift knob is just because it just feels, it's just really heavy. It's a really good weighted shift knob, and the carbon fiber one is just a little bit too light. So let's go ahead and put this back on, and then we'll go from there. And here we go. Bam, there we go, it's on. Let's go show you guys the 5.3 supply one. And bam, there we go. So you can see right there has the Kanji 5.3 on the top. Just a nice carbon fiber shift knob, way better than the stock one that I had in here. But like I said, I just like the Mishimoto one a little bit better for my Evo because it's a little bit heavier. But yeah, let's keep going around, giving these Gapplebees gift cards, spreading cheer around the neighborhood here, or whatever you want to say. But we'll be right on to the next victim. All right, we got our second victim here. Jose, this is for you. It is a gift card to Gapplebees.
No. Hey, whenever you're ready.
From when the last time we ran. I'll put the clip after, but that's your Gapplebees gift card.
I'll transfer this over to somebody very soon.
Yeah, once you're done. But yep, I'll put the clip of when we raced. Only the one of where I won, of course, because that's why I'm giving him the Gapplebees card. But we're gonna keep going around giving these out to a few of my friends and stuff. But he's just admiring that clean paint job that you guys are gonna see, or that you guys already saw. The ceramic coat looks nice, so clean. Yep, Gapplebees. That's your Gapplebees gift card. But on to the next one. 2 out of 3 right here.
And we say bye-bye.
We got our next contestant here. You guys haven't seen Benny's GTR in a while, but damn, he lowered it a little bit. Got the yellow fog lights. Got the, you said you got injectors too, right?
Yeah, I got 1050cc injectors now.
That's nice. Well, this gift that I got for you, I don't know, it's more, I don't think you deserve it, but
You still got me a gift. I appreciate it.
I had it. No, it's not because of that. It's because the only reason that I'll ever be able to give you this in real life would be once maybe I get my GTR.
Word.
But I had a dream that maybe I could give this to you, so here you go. It's a gift card to Gapplebees. And maybe one day in real life I'll be able to actually take you to Gapplebees, but maybe you can give that to somebody after you beat them. You can. The back is pretty funny too, but
Yo, this is Evan Shanks thing.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, so I know it wasn't too big or nothing like that, but
Appreciate this.
they're pretty cool, so I'm giving them around to a few of my friends that I actually beat in races, and you because I will beat you one day. So, but damn, GTR still in clean. Dream car, dream car.
It's dirty. The wheels are freaking rusty looking.
Nah, it's just brake dust.
Yeah.
But that's that. Thank you, Benny, for coming out here. Again, hopefully one day I can take you to Gapplebees, but hope you liked it.
Yeah, I
Let's go on
appreciate it, man.
to the next one.
It's good seeing you. I'll walk in and I'll talk to you.
So the night continues. We're still meeting up with some of the homies and giving them our Christmas gift. So we got Jose over here, clean ass 10. But what up, man?
What's going on, bro?
How's it going?
How you doing?
Got a gift for you.
Oh, let's see.
It's a gift card to Gapplebees.
Gapplebees, what is? Hell nah.
So it's
funny,
a
dude.
Gapplebees gift card from a few of the times that we raced. We go back and forth,
This
but
is funny, dude.
for sure, man.
Hell yeah,
Just
dude.
wanted to hand that to you.
Hey, check out the wheels, though, dude. Did you see the new wheels?
Oh snap! I didn't even notice. Are they like the, what kind of wheels are they? Are they like the final edition wheels?
They're like stock X wheels.
Oh, stock X wheels?
Yeah, dude. But look at the flakes on them.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, dude.
Check it out. That flake. It's nice.
That's all I got down.
And you're gonna get the roof done,
Yeah.
right?
That's next week. Coming next week.
Nice.
For sure, man.
But yeah, I just want to give you that. Merry Christmas.
All right,
For
dude. Merry Christmas, man. So yeah, I was around here, so like, yeah, let's figure.
Yep.
All right, man.
All right, on to the next ones. Next ones. Damn, is that a Tomei dog? It is. He changed up the ETS. Damn. Sick ass. That's nice, man. That's nice. for his gift. I mean, his car obviously doesn't have a motor in it, so it's like guaranteed win for me. So I got you this, your very own Gapplebees gift card.
You're full of shit. Wait on it.
And I want to do a reenactment right quick of what it's gonna look like. Alex, if you could do me a favor, hold this camera right quick. I brought a car that will be, you could just stand right here, just aim right here. It's pretty much what the race is gonna look like. So this is my car, and then
Oh, just like that, huh?
bam, bus links. Even after the crash, still going. And that's what it's gonna look like whenever if he ever finishes this car. That's a Gapplebees card right there for you.
That's funny.
So maybe one day you can give it to somebody else, but thank you, Alex, for filming the race. But that goes where your man card is supposed to be.
I'm gonna save this. And I'm gonna give it to. I'm gonna hand it back as soon as it's back and running. I'm gonna hand it
Merry
back.
Chrysler.
Merry Crisis.
All right, well, that's pretty much it. Happy holidays, everybody. Take it easy. Always remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Rez out. We're out of here.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25, I'm thinking God